Shalom, giving all praises to the Creator. So I'm coming out to add some. These are called giant wavy mustard greens, and I picked these seeds up from my organic market, which I love because I get a discount when I purchase seeds from them, and you know, I get a discount anyways. And so I just wanted to come out here and try to drop some more seeds in the rain, because I told you about the succession part of my gardening, and I also want to drop some more seeds in these pots. I have about 20 pots that are going to be filled very soon, full of greens, because I expect this year's garden to be totally self-sustaining. No grocery store shopping for us, no produce. What's eating the potato leaves? Something's eating the potato leaves. I gotta cook these potato leaves. Or I'll just put them in a smoothie. I want to see them bloom. But anyways, this is a very quick video, very short video. I'm not going to show you dropping the seeds, but I'm going to let you know that is what I am doing. And remember to always do your best, be blessed, and drop a seed, even in the rain. All praises.